Step 4. Install Intelj Community Edition. In this video, we will be installing Intelj Community Edition on our computer. So let's get started. First, we will go to Google and type Intelj download. This will take us to our JetBrains website. We will click on download Intelj IDEA. Now, based on your computer, either it is Windows or Mac, Intelj will automatically provide you the package. Now, there are two types of download. One is the Ultimate and Community Edition. Ultimate is not free. Community Edition is free. I highly recommend using Community Edition. So you can just click on download. And this will download the Community Edition of Intelj on your computer. Once it is downloaded, click on the icon and install on your computer. Once it is installed, you can open Intelj, and Intelj will open an interface where it will ask you to create a new project or open any existing project. Thank you.